What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum Custom Mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, flakes and pearls, we shoot them out and combine them, and then you guys get to decide. Do you love it? Do you hate it? 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you can rate it anywhere in between. The 2 Rustoleum colors I have for today are highly requested by everybody, but one in particular I keep seeing over and over again. Everybody wants to see a red with a black pearl. Now, I hope you guys are aware of the salt and pepper effect, where you put light colors and then you take a dark pearl and you put it over top, and it kind of makes it look dirty. And this might actually happen with this combination today, but we're not going to know for sure until we actually spray it out. So what I've got is I've got gloss apple red, and I've got tried and true gloss black, and I got a graphite black pearl that I'm going to shoot over everything. And what we're going to do is I got my fender prepped up behind me, clean real good with prep all and sanded with 600 grit. We're going to shoot it half apple red, half gloss black, and then we're going to put this pearl mix, this graphite black pearl, in one of the clear coats I use, my Speedo Coat Clear, and we're going to shoot it over top, and then we're going to see, is it cool? Do you love it? Do you hate it? We're going to find out. So let's get the two-tone in this fender behind me, and then we'll get into shooting some pearls. Alright guys, so I got my Rustoleum apple red and gloss black two-tone behind me. I am using my Speedo Coat Clear today. It mixes 4 to 1, 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. This is a medium temp activator. It's about 75-80 degrees out today, so perfect for this temperature. I have already ahead of time put the 4 to 1 mixture in here. And this is what we're using today, guys. Graphite Black by Rustoleum Pearls. Now, this is a very dark charcoal looking pearl. Pretty cool. I'm going to take my little teaspoon right here and do about 1/4 of a teaspoon into this 5 ounces of mixture. That should be fine right there. And we'll get to mixing. I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mixture. It's pretty cool. Alright, so Graphite Black. Well, I guess you can guess ahead of time what color this is going to be in the mix, right? It looks like straight black. But yeah, looks kind of like oil. But anyways, guys, I'm curious to see what this is going to do over the lighter colors. I think it'll really complement the darker color well, which is why I kind of went with a two-tone with it. But nonetheless, you guys wanted to see it, so let's load up our gun after we get this mixed real good, and let's get to spraying some pearl. Alright guys, so I got my pearl mixture loaded up in my V4 gun today. It is a 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 psi wide open trigger. We're going to do a light coat on this panel first just to introduce it, make sure we don't have any reactions, and then we'll probably do 1 or 2 follow-up medium coats till we get the desired effect, and then I'll take you guys outside and let you see it what it'll do out in the sun. So let me put my mask on real quick and let's get into the spraying today's pearl. Alright guys, so here's the spray out today. A Graphite Pearl over Gloss Apple Red and Gloss Black. Now, for the subscribers that wanted to see the Graphite, the Black Pearl over top of the red, what did you think of it? What I tried to do is not overload the mix too much because I was worried about the salt and pepper effect where you put a dark pearl or flake over a light color and it looks dirty. And I actually think it turned out pretty good. Now, one thing you will kind of notice generally with these black pearls is at first thought you think black pearl and you think it's going to be like this peppered, like, I don't know, charcoal effect, and even rightfully so, it was called graphite. But what it ends up doing is kind of looking like a gunmetal over colors. And you notice that very vividly over the black. But overall, guys, I think it was a great spray out today, but it's not up to me, it's up to you guys. I want you guys, especially the ones that asked for this combination, to let me know what you thought. 1, you didn't really care for it. 5, it was the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. If you enjoyed today's episode, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. Drop me a like and comment. What color combinations haven't we done that you'd like to see next? And if you'd like to purchase any of the pearls, the guns, the flakes, the clear coat, anything I used on today's episode, links in the description, as seen on YouTube. You click on that, takes you to my Amazon storefront, and you can pick up and purchase anything there. We get a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else. Well guys, I had a great time with you today. Hope you enjoyed it, and here's to the next episode, right? Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.